Okay, step number one. You're gonna chop just a thinly sliced green peppers and onions, okay? That's step number one. Step number two, get just a bit of oil. You see that? Not much of oil in there, okay? And heat it up. Now we're gonna place the onions and the green peppers in there. Okay, they're already in there. Okay, we're just gonna brown it just a bit, okay? Not burn, but brown, okay? Now we put the beans in there, okay? We're gonna put the beans, and we're gonna wait, okay? And we're gonna smash them a little bit with a spoon, with a big spoon. Okay, now they're like that, okay? I already pressed them down with a spoon several times, okay? So they're already, it's like mashed beans, not like mashed potato, but these are mashed beans, okay? So I already put the little, you see how little put of sazon Goya? Now I'm gonna blend it in. And I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna let it dry out, okay? All right, they're almost dry, okay? I keep moving, I keep pressing at the same time. Okay? Now, this leftover soupy water from the beans, we're gonna put them back in here, okay? When they're dry, okay? So we put it in there. We're gonna blend it again. Now, after blending, once you see them popping like that, they're basically ready. Okay, you can turn it off, turn off the fire, and let them wait, let them sit there. Okay, and most of that moisture is gonna evaporate as well. You don't want them really dry. Okay, so like now. Okay, this is the end result right here. Look, see, nice and creamy. Nice and creamy. See, they're really nice and creamy. Okay. Okay, here we go. That's the way they look. All right, so I'm gonna enjoy this.
Suffice for you, but
okay, all right. Hope you get it right. Okay, let me know how it tastes.